Hello students, good morning. Today's lab class. So I am going to show you practical of wrapper classes in which you will see the use of primitive data type as object. Let us start with the class check. Open it and in the section of public static void main, create a variable int I equals to 10 semicolon. Now I is a primitive variable. Now to convert it in an object, we create an object integer. Integer object I equals to new integer under bracket I. In this way, this primitive value I is now converted into integer object OBI. Here this line is boxing because in this line primitive data type is converted into object, whereas in these two lines the value from object to primitive data type, so it is known as unboxing. However, boxing and unboxing can be automatically. Look this line, integer obn equals to I. Here I is a primitive data type. It is directly assigned to an integer object, and in same way obn is a object and it is assigned to a primitive data type. Here transfer from object to integer. Now create a string variable that contains some digits. String str equals to under inverted comma 45 inverted comma closed semicolon. Now if we have to convert this string in its equivalent integer form, then we have to use parseInt method like this. Int p equals to integer dot parse int under bracket str semicolon. Now the string is converted into primitive integer. This is done by parseInt. If we have to convert it in long, then we use long dot parse long. In double, then we use double dot parse double. In same way, if we have to convert in float, then we use float dot parse float. Any primitive value can also be converted into a string like this using toString method. In this line it is used as static version, and in this line it is used as non-static version by using object name. Now look the use of value of method. We have created a string variable s and stored the value 10.45 in a string format. Now to convert in double object we use value of method. We can also store it in primitive type double due to auto unboxing process. Now I'm going to add some print statement to show the different values. Suppose we want to display the value of k. Now if you want to display the value of p, then write here p equals to plus p semicolon. Now again if you want to display the value of st here, system.out.println st equals to com plus st. Now close the bracket and press semicolon, and at last display the value of d. D equals to d. Now compile the program. If there is no syntax error, then class compiled, no syntax error, then before executing this program, first pause the video and calculate the output, and then match your output after executing this video. Next, so after compiling, now we are going to execute the program. I hope that your answer is ready. Now close the window, right click, void main, OK. Now look over here, k equals to 10, p equals to 45, st10, d equals to 10.45. Now match your answer. Is it correct? Then you understood this program. Okay. Now we shall do the practical of character wrapper class. So open the class and delete this all content. After that, type the program as given in your note or explained in last video. Create a scanner object and enter a character and check whether this character is uppercase or lowercase. If it is in uppercase, then convert it in a lowercase, and if it is not in uppercase, then convert it in uppercase. Now first execute this program, compile it, class compiled, no syntax error, close, run this program. Okay, enter a character. You type any character. If you want, then you can type multiple character, but it reads only a single character. Suppose I am typing here HELLO. Look over here, hello, but it will take only H. It will take only H and convert it in capital letter. I have given H in a small letter, that is converted it in capital letter. Why you can see in this program by using char at 0. Char at 0 reads the first character only. If we change it to 1, then it will take the second character. Now again compile the program, close it, run again. Okay. Now enter a character. I have typed same word hello. Now it is taken E, second letter. This is the function of char at. Okay. So you have completed your practical for today. Okay, bye.